Hi everyone, it's Joni, and I have some Goodwill hauls from you, for you. Just to tell you, we've been in Florida about a year, and we really didn't know the really good ones to go to, but now I have two really good ones, and we left so many good ones in Virginia that I'm really gonna miss, but maybe one day I'll go back to Virginia and hit them up. So let's get started. This is for my daughter. As we all know, she loves to crochet. So we always get her yarn at Goodwill. Sometimes we buy it at Joann's, sometimes we buy it at Hobby Lobby if it's on sale. But here we go. There are three big bundles, and it's the Sheepy, it's called Sheepy, and she'll have to come over here because it looks very sheepy. And there's three big bundles. I'll have to hand them to her, so she's going to have to come over. Come on over. And as we can see, oh wow, it was on clearance for $5.97. So let's see, if it was on clearance, it costs more than that. So there we go. Nice, feel it.
Ooh, it's soft.
It's like almost, I think it'd be a great blanket. So there's two more, look at this, just like this. I'm going to keep them in the plastic bag so they don't unravel for her, but wow. They even put them in a ball for you. Yeah, so there's two that already maybe. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh, so I have another one. I think this was $7, but I forget because these hauls probably go over a couple weeks because we might go to one or two a week, and then we might go to another one or two, and it really does depend. We try to go on a Monday or Tuesday, but Sunday is when the 50% is, and I've gone on those, and for us, it doesn't make a difference because I know what we're looking for. And this was one we were looking for. And here's a whole nother one, which she's excited about. Let me see if I can get these out of the bag. These are always hard to get. And I will say, the ones that we go to are usually, they're pretty good. We've gone to some that just are okay. And I think it depends on the location of the cities where they're located. So I know if it's a much busier one. Oh wow, look at this. Here's another, look at this. Oh my God, this thing is, oh my gosh, this thing is so big. What are you gonna make, Angelina?
I don't know. I've seen people make pillows.
That's a great idea. Oh, look at this. It's a throw. So it shows you a throw. That would be a cool thing to make.
Yeah.
Look at that. Wow, nice. And there's a little one. I guess this is called Cozy Wool, and it's 50% wool. How nice is that?
Is it soft?
Mm-hmm. It is soft. Yeah. Cool.
Ooh, it is soft. Ooh.
Nice. This is a little random, and I've forgotten to show you. I probably got it a month ago, but look how cute this is. This was $2.50. Isn't that cute? It's got the little glitter going on. So how pretty is that? I'm saving it for Valentine's Day, of course. Oh, I'm saving it for Halloween. Valentine's is this week, so sorry. You have to come and take all this stuff, maybe. And it really is pretty. I know. I'm a little bit of a... I won't even say it. All right. Now, this my son picked out. He came over to me and goes, Mom, can I have this? And I looked at it, and it was brand new. And I said yes. And you know what it is? I can't wait. It is an incense burner. How cool is this? It was $6, and it's got the holes in it here and here, and I think in the bottom it was $6, yeah. But the smoke, I think, yeah, the smoke definitely comes out of his mouth. But look at that. Is that not the coolest thing ever? I had no idea it was an incense burner when he gave it to me. I didn't know it was an incense burner until 5 minutes ago. I was like reading the tag and it said incense burner. I was like, look at that. Incense burner.
It looks like it might come out of his ears too.
Really? We're gonna have to burn something.
It comes out of his ears as well, yeah. There's little holes in his ears.
Wow. If you could look down his throat.
Yeah, I know. It's a little freaky. Where do you put the incense? Oh, in the bottom.
Yeah, I was gonna pull it off, but I didn't, you know. Okay, my other thing is we always look at purses because they're pretty cool. And usually they're like, well, this is really cool. So she's gonna hand it to me because it's like I have to go like that. So, no, we're gonna show hers first. This is cool. I showed it to her. She goes, oh my God, I want this. It is, go ahead, tell them, Angelina.
It's a Star Wars purse.
It's a Star Wars purse. Look at that. And it was $2.50. No, $3.
Was it?
Yeah, it was $3. I think.
I could have sworn we bought that for full price.
Well, maybe we did. Star Wars. All right.
Yeah, because the color that week was yellow.
Sorry, we got some yellow ones. So this was full price.
Which, I mean, still. That was probably like a $60 thing.
Look. You can see inside.
You can fit quite a bit in there, too.
You can.
It's not like a small
Oh, no,
purse
you
or
can
anything.
fit a lot in there. I think you could even fit, like, a bottle of water. Watch. Bottle of water. Look.
Yeah, you could.
Bottle of water. You can even maybe.
You could fit your wallet in there.
Yeah, you can fit a lot in there. Candy.
Yeah.
You know that spray that keeps people away? That
Pepper
too.
spray.
Pepper spray. But it's got a really nice strap and it's really cool. It really is. It's got, yeah. And it even says Star Wars on it.
And that thing probably came from the parks, which means that was probably like 60 or 70.
And even rolls. If you roll it across,
It has wheels on the
it has
bottom.
wheels. Now, cool. Goodwill, guys. Can you believe it? Of course, we are in the Disney World here in Orlando. So, but normally I would say, you know, the tags go out on Sunday to half price, and sometimes, you know, most of the time I try to get half price, but sometimes I'll indulge because I don't want anybody else to get it, and she wanted it, so I said sure. Now the next one is half price, but it's cool. It is. This is a cute little purse. It is. Look at this. It's little. It probably will hold. It's even got a little tag for your identification. But this was $5. Okay. But it is just so cute. It's little. It doesn't say who it's by, but it is just a really cute little purse, and it looks like it has not been used. And I mean, you can't fit that much in it, but you could fit enough in there. You could fit a credit card. And
You could fit what you need to.
Yeah, it's big enough where you could fit something in it. And I figured if nothing else, my little girl could also, you know, use. It's got 2 zippers, but adjustable straps. Isn't that cute?
That is cute.
It really is. I'm gonna save the best for last.
Okay.
All right, this also was half price. It was $5. All you people that like the skull heads, who would that be, Angelina?
Me and Joshua.
Yeah, this one's pretty cool. It's got a lot of pockets. It doesn't look like it was used either, because you can always tell by all the junk in the bottom. So it really has not been used, but it does have a zipper there, and it's got like zippers and pockets on the inside. But look at this, how cool this is. Look at this. Oh, it's even got a zipper on the back. So you could put a passport, driver's license, or sunglasses back there. But is this cool or what? This is cool. It's got a little tassel.
It reminds me of Indiana Jones.
And it's got the little skull heads on the bottom. It's actually skull head studs, so that is really cool. And how much was that? That was half price.
Yeah, so it was $5.
That was $5. And like I said, it hasn't been used. It's brand new. So, all right, the last purse I got. Well, sometimes I decorate my house with purses because I do have some pretty cool ones. I don't know, maybe Angelina, go over there and get that little Valentine one. I'll show you this Valentine one that I got at the thrift store years ago. But I sometimes just decorate with them, sometimes at Christmas, because I'll have glittery ones and stuff like that. But look how cute this one was. It's like a little heart. So usually around Valentine's Day, I put it out and just put it on a shelf, and there you have it. It's got a little zipper. But yeah, it was so cute. You can't fit very much in there, but you can fit enough. You can put your keys, you know, pepper spray. But see, that was one from a couple years ago. That was from Virginia, actually. Virginia thrift store. All right, so here it is. This was, I paid full price for this because I absolutely loved it. Okay, it is like a little, to me, it looks vintage. It's missing one little rhinestone, which I have tons of them that I will put in there. The rhinestone it's missing is like right there, but it is in perfect condition. It's even got the little rhinestones there. If you open it up, it's got the chain, which I just need to hook that other chain to the other side, which I will do right now. Let's see. Maybe I won't. Maybe I will. Okay, there it is. All right. So it does have a chain, a really long chain.
It's really cute.
Trying to close it. Yeah. If I can, I've got it shut the wrong way. Okay. There we go. Is that not ever cute? Okay, I got a couple more things. I got this one, which I thought would make really cute as a wall hanging. Somebody, I think, made this, but it's a really cute idea too. If you have somebody that, what do you think this was used for? It could be for a special needs kid, or they're teaching them certain
Could have been for
things.
a baby as well.
It's really cute. I loved it. It has a zipper that you can play with, like for little kids. And I believe this one was $2. So I thought for $2, it would make a cute wall hanging too in a kid's little room. Okay, I always pick up these right here because they're so cute. This one says Shoeaholic. It was $2.50. It's got a little tassel. I always pick up these because they're so cute, and if you ever have a party, people can pick what they think they are, because they have all different kind of, like, shopaholics, you know, drama queen. I've got quite a few of them, so I always try to pick them up and have a whole set, which would be cute for a party.
That would be cute.
And I got this wreath right here. These are $5 at other places. You know, you'll pick these up for maybe $4.99 depending on the size. I usually get mine at Hobby Lobby, but Michael's has them too. So this was also yellow, and I picked it up for $2.50. So I probably saved some money on that one. And then my last one, well, I have two more. Next to my last one are these two baskets, and they were $2.50, but they're wired baskets. If I had a pair of scissors, I'd cut them open, but they're really nice wired baskets. They're made really well, and maybe I can just unhook them for you. Oh, here we go. My assistant got me there. But look, now these are so cute for $2.50. Think about it, $1.25. You can find these at Dollar Tree because they're made so nice. And my last one for now, because I have more coming, because I've done 2 or 3 trips, so you'll have to keep following me to see my other Goodwill hauls, because I got some really cool stuff coming. All right, so this one I loved. It was $6, probably $3. Nobody picked it up, but it is a bag full of, they're called scatters or something. You put them in big vases. If I have my vase out, but I will definitely show you this in another video how I style it, because I have big clear vases, and you just pour these in there. It's got so many cool different things in it. Oh my goodness, yeah. So it was $3 for this big bag, which they'll probably pay 20 bucks for it. I've seen them in different craft stores. Probably about 20 bucks. So head on out to your Goodwills. I know some people are like, well, their prices are getting higher, and they are getting higher, but you can always wait and do the 50% off tag, and you can always just, if you dig down low enough, you find some really cool stuff. So anyway, thank you for watching. If you would hit the subscribe button, that would be great, the like button and the notification bell, and share with your families and friends. And if you have any questions or comments, please list them below. Bye. Love you. Mwah.